$20 fishing tackle rod holder for Beach and Pier. So it started off as a pressure washer that I was given for free. Only put $20 into this whole project for a couple elbows and a couple tees. As you can see, it's 2 ice chests, 1 bait, small bait, 1 for drinks. Spot to hold my bait bucket. This will hold a 5-gallon bucket. Moving around the side, I put some holes here so you can put bungee cords to strap the whole thing down. As you can see, I got 2 side riggers. Little solar light on there just in case. And it holds 6 rods if I put that light somewhere else. Overall, this is a great little project. Made things a whole lot easier. So, enjoy this little short.